Hi everybody, welcome to Little Info and I'm Sudha Srinivas. Now today I will be talking about the different types of vaccines available for COVID and I will tell you the technology behind the working of these vaccines. Okay. Now, first we have Covaxin, Covishield, and Sputnik. Now, these three vaccines are available now in India. Okay. And apart from this, we have Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson and Johnson, and the latest one is Novavax. Okay. Now, these vaccines are available abroad, but who knows? We might get these vaccines in India as well in the future. Okay. Now, starting with Covaxin, that's developed by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech Limited. Okay. Now, actually, an inactivated viral vaccine, which means kind of dead viruses, is injected in the person. So, this will not affect the person who's taking the vaccine. It will only teach the immune system to prepare a defense mechanism to fight against the active viruses. Okay. Now, vaccines for other diseases using the same technology like rabies and polio. Okay. Now, rabies and polio use the same technology. Okay. Next, we have Covishield, that's developed by AstraZeneca and it is manufactured by Serum Institute of India. Now, Covishield, Sputnik, Johnson and Johnson, all these works on the same technology that's called as a viral vector platform. Now, here what happens is adenovirus, that's a kind of a virus taken from chimpanzees that is modified and it is injected in the human body. Now, this virus is will enable it to carry the spike protein of COVID. Okay. Now, it will not create any infection to the injected person. It will only teach the immune system to fight against the original viruses. Okay. Now, again, this technology was used for vaccines for Ebola disease. So this technology is also already in use. Okay. Next we have Sputnik, that's a Russian-based vaccine. So here also again, as I said, viral vector technology. That's a weakened version of this adenovirus taken from these chimpanzees. Now, why these viruses are taken from chimpanzees is because now this body needs altogether new virus so that only then the body will be able to create all the important antibodies. Okay, so altogether new virus needs to be injected inside the body so that it gets to know the possibilities of all the new viruses. Only then all the necessary antibodies will be created in the body. Okay, that's the reason behind taking these viruses from the chimpanzees. Okay, so next we have Pfizer. Now, Pfizer and this Moderna works on the technology called as mRNA. Okay, that is messenger ribonucleic acid. Okay, now what happens here is Covaxin, they used inactivated virus, that is dead virus. In Covishield and other viruses, they used weakened or modified virus or weakened virus. But here in mRNA technology, they don't use any virus at all. Okay, it is a kind of a messenger or it just instructs the cell to generate the spike protein. Okay, which will include the generation of antibodies. Okay, so it is kind of the injection, that the vaccination that we get for Pfizer and this Moderna, that is going to just instruct the cells to create antibodies. Okay, so there is no any dead or there is no any weakened viruses introduced here inside the body. Okay, so that's about Pfizer and Moderna. Next we have Novavax. Novavax is a protein subunit vaccine. It again contains harmless species of the spike protein. Again, this is not going to infect the person. It is just going to teach the immune system as to how to create antibodies. Okay. Now, all of these, Covaxin, Covishield, Sputnik, Pfizer, Moderna and Novavax, all these are required to be taken in 2 doses. Okay, so 2 jabs are very much essential. But Johnson and Johnson, only 1 jab, that is only 1 vaccination once is enough for that. Okay, now efficacy of all this, all of us know Pfizer and Moderna is close to 95% efficacy for these 2 vaccines. But Covaxin, Covishield, Sputnik and Novavax, all these are really doing very well as well. Okay, they also have close to 90% efficacy. Okay, so more than the efficacy, more than the jabs, what is more important is all of us taking 2 jabs without missing one. Okay, if you just take 1 dose and you forget the other one, that is not enough. So once you have taken 1 dose, what happens is in the first dose, the body just gets presented to the antigen. Okay, the body knows, okay, this is the new virus that is going to affect the immune system. So it gets to know about the immune system. But if you want your immune system to be really strong and you want the immune system to act quickly, then you need the second vaccine also. So second vaccine Second dose is a kind of a booster. It boosts the immune system, it makes your immune system strong, and it also your immunity lasts for a longer time. Second dose is utmost important, so please don't miss on that. Just take your jabs without missing. Unlike the US, we don't have rules in India saying if you get one jab, you will get one beer free. So no, we don't have that. So but you still don't miss getting your jabs. So please take 2 doses from the same manufacturer. Stay healthy. Okay, let's fight Corona all together. Okay, or keep watching Little Info. Thank you.